By you addressing these inquiries, I ensure you will get ripped off on your next vehicle acquisition. Vehicle sales reps are slippery. They know the very best inquiries to pose to you to inspire you to pay the most elevated benefits. Vehicle deals are likewise incredibly shrewd, very thoroughly prepared, and they practice the craft of finalizing the negotiation each and every day. I will impart to you the inquiries to never address on a vehicle parcel. Furthermore, in the event that you don't watch this whole video, it's simply going to do one thing: cost you time, cash, and significant disappointment. Hello, how are you utilizing today? That is really one inquiry. You certainly need to answer the sales rep that you will have moved toward you or you approach on the showroom plot. You need to get it out the entryway front and center of why you are at the showroom. You need to be aware before you come here. What's your needs, and needs are what's your final plan of vehicle shop. So ensure you in all actuality do address the topic of what carries you into the showroom. Dorothy, you're seeing this Chevy Malibu red line. Definitely, it resembles a decent vehicle. Totally. Is this something you will be paying money for your funding, or a tad of both? Finance. Gracious, amazing. What sort of installment would you say you are searching for? Gee, I might want to keep around $350 per month. That is really two inquiries in one. However, they're generally asked simultaneously, and you never need to address that inquiry on the parcel. Shabby vehicle sales rep. I've conversed with you folks before. You never need to stroll into a showroom and let them in on that you're supporting or paying money. Assuming that inquiry is posed, simply stay there and haven't decided at this point. I haven't chosen at this point. The explanation you would rather not talk about installment is on the grounds that they will land you on a vehicle that gets you and augments the regularly scheduled installment. So way they can amplify their benefit. Hello, that is totally great. I'm delighted to hear that. What kind of credit do you get? I'm not entirely certain, but rather my significant other's credits benefit. So that not too far off was an ideal situation of a vehicle sales rep. As Mr. Chevy Buddy says, unpleasant vehicle sales rep, asking you qualifying inquiries. The explanation vehicle sales rep posed that inquiries, since two things occur there. One, they're pre-qualifying you to sort out some way to work their vehicle bargain. Indeed. I said that their vehicle bargain, not your vehicle bargain. They're in charge once more. Recall that they're the experts. They do this consistently. We as shoppers do this each 4 to 5 years as well. They additionally pre-qualified to see who the genuine purchaser is in this situation. Mrs. has arrived, spouses, not husbands, the genuine purchaser, since he has the credit. So you don't respond to those inquiries. With the goal that way they can't pre-qualify you or prejudge you on a vehicle bargain. That generally sounds awesome. This is a really expensive vehicle. So it will take a significant measure of cash down to get to $350. So how much cash are you anticipating putting down? Perhaps $500? So once more, this is a pre-qualifying question since now they need to sort out some way to work their arrangement, not your arrangement, correct? So assuming you have no cash down, Mrs. Chevy Levy being silly, and you just have $500 down. However, that is a genuine situation that occurs on the vehicle part each and every day. So in the event that you can't get to $350 on this fresh out of the plastic new Malibu, what do you suppose a vehicle sales rep will do? They will assume command over their arrangement and take more time to a vehicle that they can get you to $350 every month. Hello, that generally sounds great. Do you have anything that you will exchange? I suspect as much. My significant other doesn't have any acquaintance with it yet, however we will dispose of his 2020 Corvette. So this is the vehicle you're preparing. Good, sweet. What's it worth? What are you attempting to receive in return? My significant other let me know he paid $50,000 for it so I can rescue my cash from it. Fantastic. Vehicle sales rep will continuously attempt this procedure with you. It's called giving you a shot. So essentially what we just exhibited there was we given you a shot by seeing what you think your vehicle is worth. We read somewhat amusing. They're saying that this vehicle is valued at $50,000, yet that sort of situation happens constantly. Two things occurred here in the vehicle selves of psyche. 1. Assuming you stay there and underestimate your exchanging, they're totally ecstatic. They want to take your vehicle from you. Yet, assuming you exaggerate your exchange, presently they will be like, all things considered, where'd you concocted that dollar sum? How exploration have you managed their Kelly Blue Book? Doesn't buy vehicles in ADA is high all the time. They're continuously going to begin throwing out curveballs to get you off your game. This moment there is an opportunity and a spot that you in all actuality do have to respond to those inquiries. It's not on the vehicle parcel. I generally love instructing individuals. This relationship. Assuming you see someone that you're drawn to and you approach them and present yourself interestingly, you don't put your hand out, present yourself and say, "Will you wed me?" Utilize that relationship when you're out vehicle shopping. You need to address these inquiries. The best chance to address these inquiries is the point at which you're prepared to make a buy. At the point when all gatherings are available, while your exchanging has arrived. Also, above all, when the sales rep is prepared to give you the numbers. So way you can settle on an all-around informed choice. So indeed, you truly do have to respond to these inquiries, however brilliantly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumb up and share with your friend. Thank you for watching.